Hey friends, good morning. It is Happy Friday and I'm very excited. I'm happy that it's the weekend. Not that I have a whole lot going on because it is summer, but and tomorrow's a day of rest for me. We're gonna go see some friends in Charlotte, so I'm really excited about that. But it occurred to me the other day that I'm really unhappy with this office space. This shelf behind me is kind of become a hot mess. Oh, and I'm sorry that I'm like shiny and missing part of my eyebrows and like just whatever. I got out of bed, threw some clothes on, had a cup of coffee, and came up here. So you are seeing the real me. But yeah, this shelf has kind of become a hot dumping ground underneath. And this desk that I have that I do my work and I do all my filming at is a little too big for this space. Like it's very long. It's a 6-foot table, as is my other table that my computer is on. I have to have that space because it's just, I don't have enough flat workspace in here because it's a very long, odd, weird room. So, and I'm tired of living in boxes. Like I can't with the boxes anymore. We have a storage unit chock full of boxes of just stuff that our stuff is just sitting in boxes. And Natty's room is a disaster because there's boxes everywhere and things are half packed and half unpacked. And I'm just like, I'm over it. We're gonna pull this stupid house because nobody is buying right now, which is fine. And I'm unpacking and I'm downsizing whatever is packed because like obviously we don't need that much stuff. But I wanted to share with you real quick because I probably am not getting a real video out due to the fact that I forgot to film an intro the other day when I actually looked good and I just can't get it done today. So, and the editing that I haven't started because I downloaded phone issues and all the things yesterday. So anyway, this is my video. This is a short and sweet, quick video. This is the space that I am now dealing with. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. Like, do you see it all? And that door right there is the door to the hall. This weird room right here is my closet. It has a window in it. It's very bizarre. And it's very oddly shaped. So it's very difficult to get in there and stuff. But I'm getting a smaller table for this. So that way it's a little bit shorter, which means I have to reorganize my desk, which again is fine. I have stuff. I can't swap it and show you, but sorry, my phone is plugged in. There we go. You can see all the stuff that's underneath my desk, my other desk. And it's too much stuff. I know I'm an artist, but like this has gotten to be ridiculous. So this is my project for the next few days. Hopefully I'll get that video out next week and everything will be well and wonderful. Ugh. Whatever. I have to go pick up a tabletop today that is replacing this table, and then I'm gonna have to get some legs for it because it doesn't have legs. I have a couple more little bookshelves, and I thought, oh well, I could just put the table on a bookshelf, but then my chair I think is too short. So, although that really would be the best idea. So anyway, all that to say, that's jeez. This is why I don't do phone cameras anymore, phone videos. Anyway, I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping in. I apologize for the lack of long video, but you know, short and sweet, that's fun. And until next week, keep creating, friends. Create beautiful things and put them out in the world. I'm going to make my space very beautiful so that way I can put stuff out in the world to you. And until next week, I will see you later. Bye.